Alright guys, this came in my Comp RS MXP high performance exhaust system. It's just a catback for now, but it's gonna make my car sound so much better and not look so stupid with these stock, tailpipes. It's gonna be popping out. I hope it's just sticking out like a little bit. I don't know, apparently it's adjustable, so we're gonna see how well the adjustability is on this exhaust. But yeah, I cannot wait. My exhaust is gonna be so much louder, and I'm gonna see how well the Comp RS MXP exhaust sounds. So let's get straight into it. Got the exhaust holder right here. It's wrapped up pretty nicely. This is nice to package right here. Oh man, look at that. There we go. This is the pipe right before the axle back. Oh man, now here are the exhaust tips. Oh man, this thing is so nice. Wow, that is looking fresh. I cannot wait. Here's the adjustability. You can take that bolt, move it up and down on here. So I cannot wait to play with that. But I want my exhaust to be popping a little bit. Alright, so we already got the car jacked up and we took all the hangers out. I've already made a video on doing this to a 2017 Toyota GT86, which their cars are down there. Sick looking cars. But yeah, we're gonna put this exhaust on so my car will sound better. Also, I do have taillights coming in, so get ready for that video to come out soon as well. And when they come back down, I'll start helping them. I'm gonna pull my exhaust out. And she's out. That big hunk of crap is out of there. Now, no exhaust. Should I start up with no exhaust?
Turn it up.
Should I turn it on with no exhaust?
No. Do it. No. Do it. Come on. No, don't do it. Do it.
Wasn't that loud? The fat pipes are on. They are poking a bit, but I want to adjust them so I poke even more than this. And Comp RS lets you do that with a side bolt. I don't know if it's already fully out or not. I haven't tested it yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this bolt up here, and I should be able to push the pipe out even more. Dude, that is poking, dude. Holy crap! Like, look at this side compared to that side. That is poking so hard. I don't know if it's gonna look good. I think that's too ricey. I think I might have to go in just a little bit more. I don't know, man. Alright, I got it adjusted to how much I want poking, so it's not too much. It was a little bit too ricey before, but now I think it's poking just the right amount. Such fat exhaust tips, I love it. I love how much they're poking too. Not too much, not too little. But again, my taillight's gonna come in, it's gonna make it look better. And hopefully I get a wing within a couple months as well. That'll make it look good too. Alright, she is all lowered down with the exhaust on. I'm gonna go ahead and give it the first startup. This is not a cold start because right before I put my exhaust on, I did a couple skids. And now my wires, look at that, my wire is now showing. I do have drift spares though, so I'm gonna go ahead and slap those on probably within the next week or so. So they don't blow up on me. But yeah, here is the first startup. Yeah.
I'm not gonna redline it though, because
I know. Man, those crackles and pops made my day, and how much it's sticking out. I love the exhaust system. I'm gonna go take it for a couple of rips and see how it sounds.
You had to slide in that cork, did you?
I didn't mean to.